Terex Ecotec Phoenix 1600 is a trommel built for serious screening. Whether you're working with compost, soil, mulch, or construction debris, this machine brings performance, reliability, and flexibility to the job site. Mobility is a big win here. The Phoenix 1600 is available in both tracked and wheeled versions, so you can tow it in or track it across the site. Quick setup, quick results. It's designed to move with your workflow, not slow it down. One thing users love is the maintenance access. The side panels swing open wide, the drum can be changed out quickly, and the whole system is built with uptime in mind. Less time wrenching, more time screening. Fuel efficiency, smart controls, and rugged Terex build quality make the Phoenix 1600 a great fit for operations that need consistent performance day in and day out. If you're looking for a trommel that handles tough material and keeps your piles moving, the Phoenix 1600 is more than ready. Like and subscribe RPG Equipment for more gear breakdowns that keep your job site running smooth.